was 3 years of age and I wandered away from the family home. This was told by my mother, by the way, and she found me at the local football pitch. So I was in love with football right away. But my parents were against it, everybody was against it, ladies, girls and playing soccer. I used to sleep with the ball for two things. I was in love with the ball and I was afraid my mum would take it back up. So then I was about 6 years of age and I was playing all the time with the boys team. Coach asked if I would play for the boys team, but I would need to go to the barbers and get a boys haircut and get changed up. I said to the barber, short band sides, I'm playing with the boys. I went in the barbers as Rose and come out as Ross. So I was playing with the wee boys team and there was one particular game and I scored 8 goals. And there was a Celtic scout there and they said, I want to sign the wee number 7 and the manager says, no, it's a wee lassie. No, the one with the dodgy haircut that scored all the goals. It's still a wee lassie. So I spoke to the Celtic scout and I was gutted that my Celtic career was over before he was there. There was some stupid women that worked the local factories and they started a women's team as a charity. I'd asked for a game before and she said, no, it's a lassies game. We boys can't play us and you're too weak, come back in 2 years. So in 2 years and half a cycle later I was back. So I played there for a wee while, but I was also an athlete and I was 16 and I got shortlisted for the Commonwealth Games. So I went for a week to St Andrews and they said, Rose, you need to stop playing at football because you're developing fit my thighs up or you're too muscly your thighs for athletics. So I stopped playing at football for a week and I gave the athletics up, whole career, everything, for nothing that was on the horizon. My wee pal was Edna Nealis, one of Scotland's most talented footballers technically that ever will be. I decided I was going to turn professional but I didn't know how. And I remember reading the back of my daddy's daily record and there was this journalist's son, Shivers, who he was writing about Real Madrid and I thought, I wonder if they've got a women's team, a ladies team, and I says to Edna, let's go abroad to Stan Shivers. He helped us. We've got your trial for Stade de Reims in France. We went over, the daily record flew us over to France and they signed us at half time. We were in France for about 6 months when AC Milan scouts seen us playing and they bought us for AC Milan. So Edna didn't last long because she was homesick. She preferred to go Chiesa to Milan. So after a while playing in Italy, I played for a few teams and I won 8 Serie A titles, 2 golden boots. Then Italy asked me if I would play for the national team because I was banned for Scotland. And I says aye. So we won an official World Cup and then in 1984 in an international tournament in China, I was named the world's best female footballer. And I thought, no bad for a wee lad this Stuart. But it was always a Scottish hat beaten under an Italian jersey. And in 2000 when I come back home from my mum's ill health, I got inducted into the Sports Museum in Edinburgh. And I didn't know folk even knew me in Scotland. Then I got inducted into the Hall of Fame, the football at half time, I got awarded the MB. I like this visibility because women need visibility to be heard. It's still no, it's no right. The wee girls have no bit of voice, there's still no bit of voice. And us women have still no bit of voice in certain places. Until some of us females can get in the boardrooms of anything like football, banks or whatever it is you're in, where the decision making is made, we're gone neighbour.